Assalamu alaikum and good morning to you all. Today we are going to start our 10th week of online learning. I hope you are all fine and safe by the grace of Allah. Today we are going to start Unit 3, Why do people move to new places? And we'll be covering the big question. Let's look at the objectives for today. By the end of the lesson, the students will be able to identify new vocabulary, discuss page 26 and 27 of student book, complete exercise D on page 29, that is student book, learn about the sequence of events in the story. Now, let's watch the video. I hope after watching the video, you are able to understand the answer to the big question, that is, why do people move to new places? For example, they move to new places for new jobs. Some people move for opportunities to study and try new things. People move to be close to hospitals and other services as well. Sometimes families move to raise children in a suburban area. So there are many reasons due to which people move to new places. Now, let's look at the vocabulary, the new vocabulary that you're going to learn. Let's learn and read the words. Page 29, Unit 3, Why do people move to new places? Get ready. Now listen and read the words. Then listen again and say the words. The first word is packing. The second word is moving. The third one is meeting neighbors. The fourth word is shopping. The next word is ice skating. Then we have fishing. The next one is raking leaves. The next word is dancing. Then we have throwing snowballs. And the last but not the least is sledding. Now, before you read, look at the Learn box. Sequence of events, exercise D. As you read a story, think about the order in which things happen. For example, we have been given a situation in which the person says we moved to Brazil 1 month ago. Before that, we lived in Portugal. Yesterday, I went to my new school for the first time. So, sequence of event makes you understand and appreciate a story or a narration, and one should be able to understand the sequence of events in that. Over here in this exercise, students will be putting the order of events and completing the 3 sentences given below. The first one is we lived in Portugal. Now that is something that happened in the first place. What happened next? They moved to somewhere else. What is that place? Please complete that sentence. And then once they moved there, what happened next? Where did this person go? So, following the sequence of events, you're going to complete your exercise. Now, let's come and look at the assignments for today. We're going to practice reading the new vocabulary words with correct pronunciation. And we are going to complete the exercise D on page 29, student book. Thank you, girls. I hope you understood today's lesson. Allah Hafiz. Stay home, stay safe.